Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of heavy-duty tire inflators, and let me tell you, we've got a real gem for you. Introducing the AstroAI Portable 160 PSI Heavy-Duty Tire Inflator Pump. Now, let me start off by saying this: if you're in the market for the best heavy-duty tire inflator, look no further. The AstroAI Portable Tire Inflator is an absolute game-changer. With its powerful dual cylinders, dual motors, and dual power sources, this inflator is a force to be reckoned with. One of the standout features of the AstroAI Tire Inflator is its turbo rise technology, which ensures constant, highly efficient output, even under high-pressure situations. Need to inflate an SUV tire from 35 psi to 40 psi in just 1.5 minutes? This inflator can handle it with ease. But that's not all. This inflator also boasts an accurate digital LCD screen, allowing you to preset and monitor the pressure with ease. And thanks to its intuitive button controls, operation is a breeze. Plus, with its automatic shut-off feature, you can rest assured knowing your tires will always be inflated to the perfect pressure. And let's talk about convenience. The AstroAI Tire Inflator comes with an extra long 16.4-foot air hose and an 11.5-foot power cord, ensuring you can reach any tire on your heavy-duty vehicles with ease. And with its dual power supplies, including a 12-volt cigarette lighter plug and battery clamps, you'll never be limited by power source again. But wait, there's more. This tire inflator isn't just for your vehicle tires. It's also compatible with RVs, ORVs, trucks, cars, bicycles, air mattresses, and more. Plus, it comes with a range of accessories to suit all your inflation needs. So there you have it, folks. The AstroAI Portable 160 PSI Heavy-Duty Tire Inflator Pump is hands down the best heavy-duty tire inflator on the market. With its powerful performance, unmatched convenience, and versatility, it's a must-have for any vehicle owner. Don't settle for anything less. Get your AstroAI Tire Inflator today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews of the hottest products on the market. Until next time, happy inflating!